Welcome to Top Travel 10. In today's video, we're diving into one of Europe's most enchanting cities, Prague. Whether you're a history buff, a culture lover, or just looking for a beautiful destination, Prague has it all. Stick around until the end for some bonus tips on how to save money while exploring the city. If you are a new viewer, welcome. And if you have already subscribed, we're happy to see you again. Let's not waste time. Here are the top 10 must-visit spots in Prague, perfect for any traveler. Let's dive right in. 1. Charles Bridge. Starting with the iconic Charles Bridge, this medieval masterpiece connects the old town with Prague Castle. Lined with beautiful statues and offering stunning views of the Vltava River, it's the perfect spot for a morning stroll. Be sure to visit early to avoid the crowds. And while you're here, snap a picture of the statues. They're said to bring good luck. 2. Prague Castle. Next up, we have the largest ancient castle in the world, Prague Castle. This sprawling complex isn't just one building, but a collection of churches, palaces, and gardens. You could spend an entire day here. Pro tip: catch the changing of the guard at noon. It's free and adds an extra layer of history to your visit. 3. Old Town Square and Astronomical Clock. Prague's Old Town Square is the heart of the city, and it's here where you'll find the Astronomical Clock, one of the oldest working clocks in the world. Every hour, watch as the figures come to life in a mini performance. Grab a coffee from one of the nearby cafes and enjoy the view of the medieval architecture around you. 4. Saint Vitus Cathedral. Housed within Prague Castle, Saint Vitus Cathedral is a Gothic masterpiece. Its towering spires and colorful stained glass windows will leave you speechless. Entry to the main hall is free, but for a small fee, you can climb to the top for breathtaking views of Prague. 5. The Lenin Wall. For a touch of modern culture, head to the Lenin Wall, a constantly evolving canvas of street art dedicated to John Lennon and global peace. It's the perfect Instagram spot, so make sure you bring your camera and some vibrant filters. 6. Wenceslas Square. Wenceslas Square is not just a historic site, it's also a commercial hub full of shops, restaurants, and museums. If you want to learn more about Prague's role in key historical events, this is the place to be. Stop by the National Museum located at the top of the square, ideal for history lovers, and it won't break the bank. 7. Vyšehrad. For a quieter experience, head to Vyšehrad. This historic fortress offers peaceful gardens, panoramic views of the city, and a deeper dive into Czech history. Best visited at sunset for some of the best views in Prague without the tourist crowds. 8. Petrin Hill and Observation Tower. Next on our list is Petrin Hill, home to Prague's mini Eiffel Tower. You can take a funicular ride to the top and climb the observation tower for stunning views of the city skyline. Pack a picnic and enjoy it in the park. It's a budget-friendly way to spend the day. 9. Dancing House. For those who appreciate modern architecture, the Dancing House is a must-see. Nicknamed Fred and Ginger, after the famous dance duo, this unique building is a symbol of Prague's vibrant, modern side. Head to the rooftop bar for a drink with a view. It's one of the best places to watch the sunset. 10. Kampa Island. Last but not least, we have Kampa Island, a peaceful escape just a stone's throw away from the hustle of the city. Enjoy the tranquil riverside views, art installations, and the quaint charm of this hidden gem. This spot is perfect for a relaxed afternoon, and you can explore the Kampa Museum to get a dose of modern art. That wraps up our list of the top 10 must-visit spots in Prague. Whether you're looking to immerse yourself in history, art, or just enjoy breathtaking views, this city has something for everyone. Before you go, here are a couple of bonus tips to save money in Prague. 1. Public transport is cheap and efficient. Use the trams to get around. 2. Take advantage of free walking tours to learn about the city from a local guide. 3. Enjoy! Thanks for watching Top Travel 10. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future travel guides. If you've been to Prague, let us know your favorite spots in the comments below.